These frogs can vanish like magic, becoming invisible ninjas of the forest. They use their amazing camouflage skills to hide from predators and sneak up on their prey. You won't believe how good they are at disappearing. First, we have the leaf litter frog. This little guy lives in the Amazon rainforest, and its skin is the color of dead leaves. It also has small bumps that make it look like a leaf. When it stays still, it's almost impossible to see. Even the shadows of trees can't give it away. This helps it hide from daytime predators like birds and snakes. And when it wants to catch a snack, it just sits still until an ant or termite wanders too close. Then, bam, it strikes with its long, sticky tongue. And because it's so well camouflaged, its food doesn't see it coming until it's too late. Our next frog is the mossy frog. It lives in the jungles of Southeast Asia and spends its days hopping between rocks and trees covered in moss. Its skin is green and bumpy, just like the moss that grows in its home. It can also change colors to match its surroundings. And when it's time to rest, it tucks its arms and legs in tight to hide its shape even further. This way, it can sneak up on bugs and fish and snatch them before they know what's coming. And even if a hawk swoops down from above, the mossy frog is so well camouflaged that it's almost impossible to spot. The red-eyed tree frog is our next master of disguise. It lives in the rainforests of Central America and has bright green skin with golden spots and blue and yellow stripes. At night, it can be hard to see these colors, but during the day, not so much. That's why these frogs spend their days sleeping with their eyes closed and their legs folded underneath them. This way, they look like a dry leaf hanging on a twig. And even if a snake comes slithering by, it won't notice the frog until it's too late. And finally, let's meet the barred frog. It lives in the rainforests of Australia and has brown, black, and tan stripes that run down its back. These stripes help it blend in with the muddy banks of streams and rivers. When it sits still, its silhouette disappears into the pebbles and dirt. Then when it strikes, its colors flash for a split second before it disappears again. This helps it catch insects and also hides it from daytime hunters like herons. So from the leaf litter frog to the barred frog, these amazing frogs use their camouflage skills to hide from danger and sneak up on their prey. They're like little ninjas of the forest, and they're some of nature's most fascinating creatures.